Today class we are going to be learning about how to make an animation where we zoom in and out. So the first thing that we want to do is go straight to our drive, and then we want to open our digital photography and design folder that we've made. Then we want to open our Google Present Animation folder, and then we want to start a new document. Click Create, click Presentation, and a brand new document. Now typically we've been using the Simple Light. Today we're going to do Simple Dark. We don't want to use any of the others because of the gradient or the weird backgrounds. We just want something that's either black or white. So you can start by deleting your text and choose the object that you want to use for this. For this you can choose whatever shape you want. It could be a flower, a heart, cross symbol, cloud, etc. I'm going to actually start with a sun. So I'm going to start by drawing my sun, and if I push the shift key that keeps it a regular size versus something strange, so make sure you push the shift key. And I'm just going to keep it white. Remember, if you go up to the fill color tool, you can choose whatever color you want, so you can have a yellow sun, green sun, purple sun, but I'm just going to keep mine white. So what we're going to do today is actually make a sun that gets larger and then gets smaller. So what we're going to do is start in the corner, and we're going to start with a small sun. Remember, we push Control-C, Control-V. Then what you're going to do is just keep your finger on the shift key and have it get a little bit larger. Again, Control-C, Control-V. A little bit larger. Control-C, Control-V. A little larger. Control-C, Control-V, etc. Now, remember Control-Z if we make a mistake. I'm actually going to have my sun kind of move across the sky before it shrinks back again. So again, Control-C, Control-V, and remember our even increments with the arrow keys, 1, 2, over. 1, 2, over, Control-C, Control-V, 1, 2, over, and you're going to continue this across the sky. You might end up with about 50 slides for this total. Remember, the more slides we have, the better the animation is going to be. Now what's nice is once I get to the middle, I can start having my sun do other cool tricks. So I can actually start having my sun spin just by using the rotate button here at the top. So I'm just going to have it spin a little bit. Control-C, Control-V, and I'm going to have it spin a little bit more. Control-C, Control-V, spin a little bit more. And I want this rotate key to get all the way around. So your homework for tonight is to start with a small sun here, have it, or any other object, start small, have it move across, maybe have it do a little spin, move back, and then when we get to the end, I want you to shrink it just by making it a little bit smaller each slide. And if you want to see what that looks like so far, we'll toggle through the slides. See, it gets bigger, it starts to move across the sky, does a little spin, and then we would continue having it move across the sky, recede into the background. Always remember, we want to title our presentation. So this will be Object Movement Homework 2. There we are, and happy animating!